What is going on? This is Gilbert. I'm back with another video. Today I'm reinstalling my AZA steering wheel. I return it to the manufacturer because it wasn't working. I have the driver assistance package. When I plugged it in, it would give me an error, and supposedly they fixed it. So check it out. This is just a bare steering wheel. I'm about to unplug my battery and disconnect everything. Here it is. That's the packaging. I got it on Friday, so about 3-4 days ago, and we're going on a Switzerland trip with the car club, M-Flight or TNNC, the no name car club. Alright, so this is the dongle that sends signal to all this lighting meter, and I did this right here so I can just plug it in and disconnect it whenever I have to remove the steering wheel. I don't have to resolder everything. And supposedly the resistance was wrong. It was either too high or too low. It wasn't reporting to the whatever it was. The driver system package wasn't working right. But the other cruise control is working, and it's a heated steering wheel. So a little bit, I'll show you if it works. All right, I'm in my car right now. I currently have, I don't know if you can see it, 10,500 kilometers. I'm about to disconnect the ground and remove this airbag. After, I'll wait 10 minutes. I don't know why I wait 10 minutes, but that's my current setup. I'm gonna remove this and install the new steering wheel. Alright, it only takes me like 10-15 minutes to take everything off because I've done it so many times. Just to troubleshoot when had an issue why the driver assistant package wasn't working. So I'll see you in a little bit when it's all plugged in. Alright, here it is, taking off. So literally it took me 5 minutes. The hardest part taking it out is unclipping the airbag, which is like 2 clips, one here, one there, and that took me like a minute or two. Real easy. So, like I said, I've done it so many times because of the issue that I had. Driver assistant package wasn't working right. And here's my steering wheel. I'm about to take it upstairs in my room, transfer everything, and it should take me about 15 minutes. Alright, everything's plugged in. Steering wheel plugged in. I torque the torque screw in there to 62 Newton meters. I'm about to start it, see if everything works. Alright, can't run it too long because I'm underground. Alright, here's my cruise control, adaptive. Alright, it's not turning off. Looks like it's working. It's not giving me any error. Alright. I won't know until I take it for a spin later. So, yeah, it's working right now. Later.